What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Another beautiful Monday. I was shooting a video and didn't even know it wasn't recording. So, man, I'm off my game, man. I haven't shot one in a long time. Like I said, guys, man, dealing with what I'm dealing with right now, fighting this stuff off, getting a lot of this fluid out of me, man. You know, doing what I got to do to keep it pushing. So shout out, man, to everyone that's sending those prayers up to me. I really appreciate it, man. They're working. We're getting things off of me. We're getting things back. I'm feeling good, and that's what decided matters. Again, shout out to everybody to hit that like button and that subscribe button, that notification button. So anytime that we drop a video, anytime something goes on, you guys are aware and you know what's popping. All right. Now, guys, last week was a TCP payday. So you guys know that I've been actually talking about the Conversion Pros pretty heavy here. It's a marketing tool suite that's going to literally allow you to push your business to the next level. If you don't have a direct business, then you definitely want to look at that and market and promote that business. And if you want to have multiple income streams, guys, I do have some things set up where you're able to earn instant commissions. And when I say instant, anywhere between $25 all the way up to $2,000, guys, pays directly into your accounts. Bitcoins, Cash App, PayPal, whatever it is that you're using, or it don't even matter. You know, whatever you got set up, you pretty much can have your payments going into it, and that's what we say, direct pay and residual income. So I'm all about it, especially right now. You know, school starting, with school starting, you know, people are actually looking to purchase clothes. Not only that, you got the holiday that's approaching, so a lot of people are going to be wanting to purchase a lot of Christmas items, things like that. So get positioned. Put yourself in a position where you can go out here and earn an additional income. And especially, guys, this is not anything that's a scam. I tell everyone, you know, this is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to go out here and get reseller rights to a program and go out there and promote that program multiple times, over and over and over and over, and get paid unlimited times. I had to tell a buddy this. Go to Foot Action. When you go to Foot Action, scroll all the way down, it'll say affiliates. And when you check out affiliates, it'll say become affiliates. It'll explain affiliates. Then you know, like, hey, someone purchased off your website, you're going to get a commission off of that. Same thing, guys. So you can take any product out here that you want to be a part of and go market it and promote it and get an affiliate commission. And these payments go into your PayPals. They go into your bank account, whatever you have set up. And this is what we set up for. This is what we talk about to make sure that you guys are on board with, or that you're familiar and understand what goes on around here. So affiliate rights or reseller rights, whatever it is that you want to call it, you're going to get that whenever you decide that you want to partner with me in any of these programs. Now, the reason that I'm definitely telling everyone to check out the Conversion Pros, because a lot of people don't trust people. A lot of people don't trust things. So with the Conversion Pros, you can test drive the Conversion Pros out for 14 days. 14 days, no credit card required. And if you like it, you know, you can utilize our funnels, you can utilize our servers, literally everything in that back office that you can utilize. And then if you decide you want to utilize it, keep using it. If not, we appreciate you for trying and stopping by. But there's a lot of people that are making insane commissions, and there's a lot of people that are building their businesses and getting sales with this product. So you can keep failing if you want, or you may find something better. It doesn't matter to me, you know, but just get set up. At the end of the day, the goal is for you to get set up, okay? So, guys, we're not going to let nothing stop us, man. At the end of the day, you know, I just wanted to say that it was another Conversion Pros payday, guys, and we're still getting paid. Another thing, a quick announcement, guys. We're going to be releasing a direct mail program. It's going to be very, very soon. The reason that I'm all about this is because it's coming from one of my dear buddies, Peter Wolfett, and you guys know how I feel about Easy One Up. And Easy One Up is his program. So he's going to be releasing a direct mail program here coming up very, very soon. So I'm going to keep you guys in the loop of everything that's going on with that as well, guys. So you know it's going to be some big money, and you want to be in on things when things are taking off, man. So we want to make sure that you're in on this as well. So when I have some more information on that, I'll definitely be releasing that information as well. But we look forward to working with you guys. I'm going to drop the links at the bottom for you to get set on up. Shout out to everyone that, like I said, hit the like and the subscribe button. Shout out to everybody that's checking out TCP, that's checking out my Easy One Up, that's checked out my econ. Guys, we're just doing what we got to do to get money and to prosper, okay? It's Luxury Hustle. I'm out. Peace.